time waiting for you, and then you push me away. Painkillers for breakfast, I ain't feeling the day. I'm fucking geeked up, but I tell.
Jesus fucking Christ, it is so fucking bright outside. What's up, senders? It's your boy, Little fucking Spick, dude. Back at it again with another video, man. Whew. I know, it's been a long time since the last time I said it's been a long time. Just bear with me, I can explain myself. But first, I think we need a little cold start action, huh? Got a nice little video for you guys in store. I'm gonna let this bitch warm up. And we need to go take a trip to Wally World. I'll see you boys inside the cab. Alrighty guys, we're currently inside the cab. Whew, gotta put in the old fucking Oaks, bud, you know what I mean? Alright. My brakes are about to fucking go out on this thing, dude. I definitely need to do an explanation video. I want to give you guys like an update of pretty much what's been going on in my life, why everything's been hectic, why I haven't been able to keep up with the upload schedule. I don't think that's gonna stay, but yeah, I think it's gonna fucking shake around, do the hokey pokey. But anyway, I got some explaining to do. December. Oh shit. Holy fuck. That was fucked. God damn it, that's why. Hold on, we're having some technical difficulties here. We're gonna try this fucking again. I don't know what the hell just happened. December, midway through December, I was working at Trimmers. Obviously, I was a laborer with Evan and David. And, you know, shit's going mint, you fucking mowing lawns and shit, you know? But then you get to winter, and you know, if you're a landscaper on the if you're a landscaper on the West Coast, you don't exactly have this issue. This shit does not apply to you, you absolute privileged fucks. Here on the East Coast, we get shit called winter. I know you guys sometimes get over there, but it's not real winter, y'all are a bunch of bitches. If you think fucking 30 and 40 degrees is cold, I'm sorry, it's not. Fucking go buy another fucking hot macchiato. Wintertime comes around, so that's plow season and all that shit. But reality, winter's very unpredictable. You know, you don't really know if you're gonna get fucking a lot of snow, no snow, and so it's unexpected how much money you're basically gonna actually be making. With that in mind, I did winter last year at Trimmers, and it sucked. It was awful. It's nothing against Trimmers. Like, my boy Nick, if you're watching, I love you. Best manager I've had. It's unstable income, so it's just, you can't really know how much you're going to be making every month, which is scary, you know, because you need to be making some money, you need to pay for shit, you need to make payments, you need to pay for your vehicle, so it just wasn't going to work out. I ended up finding a job with this guy. He pretty much runs his own shit. He's pretty much like a contractor, called JML Services, and he has one other guy working under him, and he does mainly heavy duty diesel repair. And I've been working under this guy since December, basically being an apprentice slash shop bitch, fucking heavy duty diesel repair. It's been kind of hard, you know, to kind of get the scheduling down, you know, me and the boss, man, you know, we don't really have the best communication yet. We're trying to work it out. I'm trying to get down basically a basic schedule, and when I'm able to get down a fucking schedule, because it's kind of like, you know, whatever we're doing, if we're doing jobs, because I don't work at a shop. He has a shop at his house, but then we're basically mobile mechanics, so we go to job sites where his clients and we fix their equipment. Or if we're just not doing anything, then I'm doing shit at the shop, or I'm doing side work with him and his friends. When I can get a solid schedule down, that's when I can actually give you guys a solid upload schedule. What I'm going to be trying to do, I'm going to try to dish out videos hopefully every 2 weeks for now, just so I can focus on work and actually giving you guys good content, because I just don't want to dish out fucking bullshit just fucking to upload, you know, for fuck's sake. Alright guys, so this is actually my first truck I ever had. This is my 2011 F350 single wheel drive with a beautiful maroon paint, 4-door super cab. The 6.7 Powerstroke in it. Has a little muffler delete. Got a 5-position switch. I don't know, I'm your basic fucking like 2011 and up fucking diesel bro. Fucking yeah, just tune intake, exhaust, fucking goes decent good. Yeah, so this is actually my first truck I've ever had. But as you can imagine, 16-year-old kid, 2011, 6.7 Powerstroke, doesn't go too well. I was a complete douchebag, so I had to sell this truck. It's a long story. If you guys want to know the story, why the fuck I had to get rid of this, comment below, and I can fucking I'll make a video explaining all the stories of this fucking rig. Good morning, senders. What's going on, senders? We're fucking back. So last time you saw me, I just came back from fucking Walmart. Fast forward a couple days, fucking worked, and today I have the day off, and it's mad nice out. It's like 50 fucking degrees out. So I was like, yeah, it must be a good time to fucking do some wiring, fucking change the old cab lights out, bud. Now, if any of you guys fucking know me, you know that I hate wiring. Fuck wiring. Wiring's gay. Wiring's like not fucking built. Do not recommend. I have my passenger side cab light out, one all the way against the fucking side of the truck. That went out like when I owned the truck, like 2-3 years ago. Fucking absolutely slammed the tree branch, taking this mall crawler off road. That was fucked. Should take a voltage meter to the connection, but I don't want to. I'm lazy. So I'm not really doing an install. I'm just kind of doing this, taking you guys along the way. May attempt to put these LED headlights I have in. I don't know if they're gonna work. I bought them for my 6.0, but ended up having to wire in halos that I never wired. And I'm not taking off all the way. I'm just getting enough so I can reach right inside of here. And I'm gonna take these 2 bolts off that house this fucking cab light housing from the bottom. So I'm gonna do that and see you guys then. Just got off the fucking little back fucking plate that your cab light mounts to. As you can see, this thing is totally fuckled. This fucking connector is really, really fucked up. But it doesn't look like it's soaked through. Hopefully it fucking didn't, because this is the cover on top of it. God, I fucking hope not, because I really don't have to fucking solder it.
Let's pray it's not. It really actually wasn't that bad. I ended up like not really taking
off that much of the fucking headliner because I just kind of was like fucking cranking it from the top, which is a bitch. Like honestly, you should just take off the full headliner. Like it was not worth it. It was like I was dude, just you had to be there, but it just was not good. Alright, what's going on, you motherfuckers? Don't even know what day it is now. As you can see, new cab light installed. But anyway, new cab light's in. That's all, man. I can't wait to make more content for you guys. Should be sweet. Can't wait to show you guys the build. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.